Intel is cutting 24,000 jobs and halting development of new facilities. After another very disappointing quarter and an earnings call where Intel CEO stated Intel had overinvested in new factories before it had secured enough demand. Intel has announced plans to shrink the company workforce by nearly a quarter across the globe. The company announced that it's on track to decrease expenses by $17 billion over the next year.
So, Liputan brought in to basically like gut it and sell it? Is that kind of what we're looking at? Did you see?
Seems like maybe.
Did you see he said that I think it was 14A. If 14A doesn't have any major external customers, they're done trying to make cutting edge node technologies. This is wild. Can you imagine a world where TSMC not only has a monopoly at the cutting edge, but doesn't even have anybody credible trying?
Yeah.
I don't think that there's another interpretation for me of this. Maybe they're trying to go, maybe the plan would be to pivot to like fabless or like, I know Samsung tries, but like I said, credible. Like seriously, I know Intel's pulled a lot of bullshit over the years. Like I get it that there's probably people that would be cheering for their death, but we are not better off with just AMD in the x86 chip market.
You can't cheer for 24,000 jobs being lost.
We are not better off with just TSMC controlling like semiconductor manufacturing. We are not better off with NVIDIA and their enabler-in-chief AMD controlling the GPU market. And we are not better off with these 24,000 jobs, not to mention the facility development ending.
Yeah. Man, you told me this was going to happen 10 years ago. I think you're nuts.
Yeah, right?
Completely nuts.
And even 5 years ago, if you'd told me it was going to happen in 5 years,
yeah,
I'd be like, no way.
Yeah. Crazy.
I know that Intel was bleeding a lot of money with Pat, but he had a plan. And he didn't even get to stick around long enough to see almost literally anything that he put in motion be executed.